Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, thanks for tuning in. Today we've got a game changer for all the fitness enthusiasts, the VOLTRX Premium Electric Protein Shaker Bottle. If you're tired of the old manual shakers, this is the upgrade you've been waiting for. Let's dive in and see what makes this shaker stand out. The VOLTRX Vortex Boost Shaker is made from infant-grade Tritan, which means it's completely BPA-free and safe to use. This 24-ounce, 600-milliliter bottle is perfect for mixing your protein shakes, smoothies, or even pre-workout drinks. It's durable, lightweight, and designed to last through your toughest workouts. What really sets this shaker apart is its Vortex mixing technology. With a powerful 2,000 RPM motor, it guarantees a smooth, lump-free shake every time. Simply press a button, and the shaker does all the work. No more shaking it by hand or dealing with clumps of protein powder. Cleaning the VOLTRX shaker is super easy too. It's IPX5 water resistant, meaning you can easily wash the outside. Just add some warm water and soap, turn it on, and your shaker will be clean and ready to use in no time. A quick and convenient cleanup after every use. Battery life is another huge plus. With just a 2-hour charge, you can get up to a month of use. That's based on using it 3 times a week. No need to worry about frequent recharging. Just charge it up once and you're good to go for weeks. So is the VOLTRX Premium Electric Protein Shaker Bottle worth it? If you want a high-quality, hassle-free shaker that delivers smooth results every time, this is definitely the one. It's stylish, functional, and built to handle all your fitness needs. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a review. Got any questions about this shaker? Drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Catch you in the next video, and stay strong.